Hi, Lorraine from SuperLooper here. At SuperLooper, we're all about recycling, but it doesn't stop there. There are the 3 R's: repair, recycling, reduce the amount of stuff that you buy new. As we've built our clothing library for you over the past year or so, we found a few items that were perfect apart from a little tear, hole, missing button, stain. So I've been asked to share some top tips for repairing stuff. If it's impossible to get rid of the stain or to hide the hole, we need to cover it up. And one of the ways that we can do that is by putting an applique on. Now, appliques can come from anywhere. They can come from another garment and then cover the stain or cover the hole, and hence a new garment. Alternatively, if you are so inclined and you are very creative, to embroider over a hole or a stain will make the garment look as if it's brand new with an integral embroidery. These aren't too difficult to do. There's lots of other things you can do. For example, if a t-shirt is worn at the cuff, don't throw the whole t-shirt away, cut the sleeves and turn it into a short sleeve top. It's the same with denim trousers that are worn at the knee, or they're covered in mud at the bottom and you can't get it off. Cut them and you've got a lovely pair of cut-off shorts. The most important thing is whatever you do to repair or get rid of the stain, you are making an impact on the environment because you're prolonging the life of the garment. Either way, these aren't too difficult to do, even for somebody who isn't an expert repairer like what I am.